In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a video in Squarespace. If you're looking to adjust video dimensions on your website elegantly and seamlessly, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can achieve that perfect look effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to the Squarespace platform. If you haven't already logged into your account, do so now. This is the place where all your creative magic happens. Once you're in, you'll notice that the dashboard is designed to help you manage your content with ease. So let's jump to the next step, clicking Get Started. This option is usually prominent in the center area of your dashboard. Selecting this will guide you further into the platform, preparing everything you need to begin making those vital adjustments. Now, direct your attention towards the blog post where you want to resize your video. You can locate this by clicking on Website and then selecting Pages. Navigating to the exact page or post that holds the video is important so that you make the changes directly where they're needed without affecting other elements on your web page. After you have your blog post open and have located the video, here comes the fun part, resizing. To do this, hover over the video until you see little corners appear around it. These corners allow you to click and drag to resize. By adjusting these, you can make the video larger or smaller based on your design preference. Remember, taking your time here is important to make sure the resized video perfectly fits the surrounding design elements. This hands-on adjustment ensures that you maintain the balance and aesthetics of your content. Once you're satisfied with the new size, your changes aren't quite complete until they've been saved. Click Save. This crucial step ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and is stored within the system. And lastly, you'll want to make sure you click Publish. Publishing makes the changes visible to your audience, ensuring that they see the brand new version of your page just as you intended. This final step is key to ensuring your newly resized video is live and ready for viewers to engage with. So there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to resize a video in Squarespace in just a few minutes. Whether you're giving your page a quick refresh or starting from scratch, these steps will help you customize the video's appearance to better suit your overall design vision. With a bit of practice, you'll be adjusting videos like a pro, enhancing your site's visual appeal with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more Squarespace tutorials if you're keen to continue refining your site.